Welcome to the world of the creator economy. Today, we're diving into the latest monetization strategies that top creators are using to maximize their earnings. Whether you're a YouTuber, TikToker, podcaster, or digital creator, this video will reveal innovative ways to turn your passion into profit. The creator economy is a fast-growing ecosystem where individuals earn money directly from their audience through content creation. From social media to online courses, the opportunities are endless. But the key is knowing the strategies that actually generate revenue. Traditionally, creators earn through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. While these methods still work, they are often limited by platform rules and revenue sharing. So, let's explore more innovative avenues that can scale your income. One of the fastest-growing monetization strategies is memberships and subscriptions. Platforms like Patreon, YouTube memberships, and OnlyFans allow creators to offer exclusive content to paying fans. This creates recurring income and strengthens your relationship with your audience. Another lucrative strategy is selling digital products or courses. Creators can monetize their expertise by offering ebooks, templates, or online courses. This not only diversifies income but also positions you as an authority in your niche. Brand partnerships remain a major revenue source. By collaborating with brands that align with your content, you can earn significant income while keeping your audience engaged. Remember, authenticity is key. Your audience trusts your recommendations. Affiliate marketing allows creators to earn commissions by promoting products and services. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank make this strategy accessible to almost any creator. Emerging technologies like NFTs and Web3 are creating new monetization opportunities. Creators can sell digital collectibles, limited editions, or even offer community access using blockchain-based platforms. Early adopters are seeing huge growth potential here. To maximize your earnings in the creator economy, diversify your income streams, engage consistently with your audience, and leverage platforms that reward creators. Combining traditional and innovative strategies often yields the best results. Thanks for watching. If you want to thrive in the creator economy, start experimenting with these strategies today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into monetizing your content successfully.